Your brain is physically sabotaging your bank account right now. And the worst part, you can't even feel it happening. My name is Bryson. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why money stress changes how your brain works, why willpower isn't a problem, and how understanding this can immediately change the way you make financial decisions. By the end of this video, you'll see why you've never been bad with money, and how to stop your brain from working against you. Imagine your brain as a computer running 40 programs at once, overheating and flashing one warning nonstop. Not enough money. Every decision you make, what to eat, whether to take that job, if you should invest, is filtered through a brain stuck in survival mode. And here's the twist. Your brain thinks it's helping you. Spoiler alert, it's not. We've been told for decades that bad financial decisions come from bad habits. No discipline. Not trying hard enough. Financial experts love to say, just make better choices. Track your spending. Stop buying lattes. But science tells a completely different story. In 2013, Princeton researchers discovered that financial stress doesn't just make you anxious. It literally reduces your cognitive capacity by 13 IQ points. That's the difference between normal functioning and borderline impairment. Your brain is making bad decisions because you're lazy. It's making bad decisions because it's operating like someone who hasn't slept in 3 days. This is evolution at work. Your brain evolved to handle immediate threats, predators, starvation, danger, not credit card interest rates or retirement accounts. So when money gets tight, your brain panics, focuses on right now, and ignores the future. And that creates a trap. Here's the loop. First, you're short on money. Stress hormones flood your system, and the rational part of your brain shuts down. Second, you make a desperate decision. The credit card, the payday loan, skipping maintenance. Third, that decision creates more financial stress. Debt, interest, bigger problems. Then your brain panics even harder, and the cycle repeats. Neuroscientists call this scarcity bandwidth. Your brain literally doesn't have enough processing power to think long-term when it's drowning in short-term problems. And here's the controversial truth. This isn't a personality flaw. It's biology. That's why even people making six figures can live paycheck to paycheck. Scarcity isn't about how much money you have. It's about the feeling of not having enough. And the financial system thrives on this. Late fees, minimum payments, auto-renewing subscriptions. Your stress isn't a bug. It's a feature. So what's the real lesson? Your brain isn't the enemy. It's using a 200,000-year-old operating system to survive in a modern financial jungle. Breaking the cycle isn't about willpower. It's about calming your nervous system, reducing cognitive load, and creating small wins that give your brain room to think again. Because money stress doesn't just drain your wallet. It drains your ability to escape the situation that's draining your wallet. And once you understand that, everything about money starts to change. Here's how to rewire your brain. First, the cognitive bandwidth hack. Automate one small debt payment to free mental space. Second, future self-visualization. Spend 2 minutes daily imagining debt-free you. It builds new neural pathways. Third, the $100 win. Celebrate small victories to trigger dopamine for progress, not spending. Finance isn't about numbers. It's about neurology. Master your brain, and the money follows. And if you think debt rewires your brain, wait until you see what happens when you achieve your first $10,000 in savings. The change is literally visible on MRI scans. And if this helped you see money differently, do me a favor, like the video, subscribe and share this with someone who feels stuck financially.